Aprilia has opted to introduce a rally variant of the Tuareg 660 following its victorious performance at the Africa Eco Race in 2023. Nonetheless, as evidenced by the emergence of ADV machinery, individuals such as Chris Birch, Paul Tars, and currently Jacopo Cerruti are capable of executing extraordinary feats on these large machines. What implications does that hold for us? It would be disingenuous to believe that a mere suspension and livery alteration would suffice. The rally designation equips the Tuareg with a beak, high fender, an enhanced skid plate and hand guards, a revised chain guide, a seat elevated by 0.8 inches, 20 mm taller handlebars, narrower tube-type ergo wheels, a SC Project exhaust including a titanium silencer, and improved Kayaba suspension. The Rally is reported to be 11 pounds lighter than the ordinary model's claimed curb weight of 450 pounds. In enhancing the suspension, Aprilia opted to maintain the same 9.4 inches of travel while replacing progressive springs with normal rate springs. A new livery was mandatory. The Tuareg series features minor stylistic updates and introduces two new color options, Tornado Green and Hailstorm White. Furthermore, the 2025 motorcycle is €5 Plus compliant and now incorporates 52 mm throttle bodies, an increase from the prior 48 mm. A new stator has been introduced, with Aprilia asserting lower inertia. Aside from the above-mentioned aspects, the Tuareg remains mostly unaltered as it transitions into the new model year, a positive attribute for our 2022 Motorcycle of the Year. Anticipate the arrival of both the basic and rally variants at dealerships in May 2025. The base model is priced at $12,499 in either color, while the rally costs $14,499. The Tuareg Rally's clearly off-road design is evident, with elevated fenders, a reinforced aluminum engine crash bar, and robust handguards with a metallic core. A redesigned chain guide is now standard, enhancing safety even in extreme off-road conditions. To improve off-road control, particular emphasis was placed on rider ergonomics, featuring a seat elevated by 20 mm to ease the transition between sitting and standing positions, and a taller handlebar with an innovative design for enhanced handling. The Tuareg Rally, along with the complete Tuareg 2025 range, is equipped with a new engine management system that guarantees enhanced throttle responsiveness. This enables the rider to surmount obstacles in the most challenging off-road terrains with more ease with a twist of the throttle, a vital advantage in off-road riding. The Tuareg Rally includes a custom-engineered SC Project exhaust system, with a completely titanium-coated muffler and a bold race-inspired end cap design. Furthermore, the wheelset and exhaust system facilitate a reduction in the overall wet weight of the Aprilia Tuareg Rally from 204 to 199 kilograms.